MeghalayaPost.news.
Ke company penmi kali Shaka Yamaha kila simkhia ban pelong daga program ke balatip kum ka hybrid mileage challenge ban pensuthu ya kinong penongkam ni kitrai jong ki kali Shaka ba penmi daga Yamaha halor ka jingklan ne ka jingduna ba mi ka Umphniang la pelong ya ka hybrid mileage challenge ha ka showroom jong ka Yamaha po nongpo bat kinong simta ki badon kum ba khandaingut kila lej banyak netes drive ya ki scooty hybrid balas dang na ka showroom sha umran bat banwan phaibiang lawan mansaki ya ka program da utrai ka Yamaha showroom jong ka nongpo uba Michael Karunai uyadon lang pasa bat ka kunhun Yamaha nanong ba shlong la samru iki laitri ki kusnam skinong job bakuntum ya upen sai lang kersiang ubalayo kumba prapunreu poin sanpu pra kilometer nakasilitar ka Umphniang ubayai psha aslam singkli prapuar poin naipuar kilometer nakasilitar bat uban kitbok dingdo ubalayo prapuar poin not khandai kilometer nakasilitar ka Umphniang.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. This is Sajid Hassan from Yamaha company, and I am here for a beautiful event like a hybrid mileage challenge activity that is conducted by Yamaha Hotel, Frank Yamaha Shillong. So as you can see that in the backdrop, we have a hybrid mileage challenge activity. In this activity, we have called 10 customers. Okay, and we have given the chance to customers to take out the best mileage from their scooters. And we have adopting the fuel mileage calculation as per the standard of method that we have adopted. So right, for the top 3 winners, we have given the first 2,000 and 3,000 rupees for the winners also along with the trophy. Every participant has got the certificate including the Yamaha tumbler provided by the Yamaha company. So it's been a great over here tonight enjoy. Everyone has been enjoyed a lot, and all the customers has been very much satisfied with their scooter performance. The highest, the winner is taking the 86 km per liter, followed by 82 and followed by 81 something. So this is all the expectation of the customers before starting these activities was something like that 40 or 50. After the activity, it was came to know that everybody is surprised. Oh, Yamaha RZR is giving so much of mileage. So it's been quite good. Our staff is very much delighted. Our sales team is very much delighted. Our dealer VIP is very much delighted. So it is not just the end in this kind of activity. We have to extend further. We have to extend further in our local team also, in our YBC network also, and in our different branches also. So I hope this activity will give us the momentum to improve the further sales of the scooter in the market of Shillong. So thanks for joining us. This is again, I am welcoming you on behalf of, thanks for joining and thanks for giving the time to the Yamaha team. So thank you everyone, and thank you Frank Yamaha Shillong, and thank you Yamaha.
One senior Syafwan meskipun punya amalan dia riding baju jalan lawan meningkat.
Iyo kan mga mileage yung peak.
Manage kayo 26 hours. Speed juga punya cuma 30-40 limit juga dan banyak minutes 30-40.
Meghalaya dong ka Yamaha team ni boy mendapat seni layo apa dua kali ka hybrid mileage campaign atau bila pemil ulang ini program ini apa ki customer layo apa kita setelah ada makmat ya ki scooty gitu jadi hasil apa saat sini saat itu mau ki customer kandang kini yang penting ini kebagi penungkap kita jual lagi Meghalaya penting pemerintah sini kita diskusi gimana test drive Meghalaya 5 kilometer Meghalaya kembali sudah berapa kita so beliau juga company yang Yamaha kalau memiliki program ini sekarang menangis pada dengan program susu melapor kita bagi customer di notif ya kami ya ke mileage yang beliau company dari sini tim Borogawai di bawah masyarakat berkumpul dengan kelompok badan organisasi tolong kepada polisi.
MeghalayaPost.news.